Verifying Bitcoin transactions on Cash App involves a straightforward process. Access Bitcoin section. Open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the Bitcoin section. Tap on the Bitcoin icon located at the bottom of the screen. Select Bitcoin transaction. Choose the Bitcoin transaction you want to verify from your transaction history. Tap on the transaction to open its details. View transaction details. Once you've selected the transaction, you can view its details, including the transaction amount, date, and status. Verify blockchain details. To verify the transaction on the blockchain, tap on the View Blockchain or View Details option, depending on the Cash App version. This section will redirect you to a blockchain explorer where you can see the transaction details on the Bitcoin network. Confirm transaction. Review the transaction details on the blockchain explorer to ensure accuracy, including the sender's and recipient's Bitcoin addresses, transaction amount, and confirmation status. Complete verification. After confirming the transaction details, you can return to the Cash App to complete the verification process. If the transaction details match your expectations and the blockchain information, you can consider the transaction verified.